like phoenixes.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me trying to get my life together. So first of all, I started by having breakfast because it's been a really long time since I've had breakfast, and this is just me being extra. I don't have this on a regular basis, so don't get me wrong. So for now, let's clean my desk. So this is the condition of my desk, and it is really cluttered, especially the drawers. So I really want to organize everything rather than just dusting and disinfecting. So I thought I'll show you guys the before and after look, and I'm pretty sure your guys drawers will be also in a similar condition. So now it's time to get back into the zone and just come out of your comfort zone, take some time out, clean up your space, get organized, and I'm sure this will make you much productive. Basically, I started off by taking out everything on the table, and if you look closely you can see the dust on the table. So I was about to wipe it, and this will be the most satisfying clip in the entire video because why not? And obviously we cannot do cleaning without music because it makes it less boring. Right now I'm actually working on myself, like creating routines and fixing my sleep schedule. So, and I believe this is an important aspect of a student, and I'm trying to have more of like a student life because that would really help. As I've told, I'm currently working on it, but I managed to fix my sleep schedule as it for now. So I have completely disinfected and cleaned out my desk, and oh my gosh, I already feel so organized right now. So let's move on to the next task, and that is to declutter and organize my drawers. And this drawer is the most disgusting out of everything else because this is the one I use on a regular basis. So first I started by taking everything out, then started organizing them. First I kept sticky notes, then memo pads, then after that small little miscellaneous things that is quick to grab, and some things that I use on a regular basis. So here is the after results of every drawer. I finally finished cleaning them. So talking about creating notes for ourselves, if you know me, you will know that I just like to create notes in any forms as long as I can keep them with me. So I want to share with you guys this site that really helped me with my notes, and that is EdrawMax. So basically EdrawMax offers a lot of different ways for you to create your notes the way you want. I have personally enjoyed using it to make some of my notes pretty and help me to stay motivated to study. So as a visual learner, this was the best way for me. Paperless and still full of possibilities, it offers a complete flexibility with a selection of platforms available to download and use them directly. It is available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and online. Aside from creating your own personal notes, they have pre-made templates and have workspace that offers 280 types of diagrams, flowcharts, fishbone diagrams, UML diagrams, floor plans, and much more. Here is a sample of templates that you can use to create different diagrams, including the circle diagrams, Venn diagrams, and to name a few. There are really a lot to choose from this pre-made templates. So when it comes to writing notes, which helps you to stay motivated, I like to work with colors because colors helps to liven up the notes and pictures. So here I created a spoke wheel diagram of the posterior compartment of the leg. You can also add photos and save them into the file in the form of PDF, PowerPoint, and Word. You can also choose from the other templates like the infographics and the comparison table, which you can edit to make your own. You can even use the science templates like this one, day and night comparison, and change the color to black or to a gradient, however you like it. You can also create birthday cards. There are 2000 plus professional templates and 2600 plus built-in symbols. You can share your own template and help other e-drawers in the template community. Adromax has everything you need in one software. You can also use EdrawMax to show your works as presentation. You can always check it out and find inspiration, download it now and try it for free. EdrawMax has everything you will need. So let me show you guys how to create notes on EdrawMax. Here is a table of different hepatitis virus. We have hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E, and they all have their differences. I like using different images to create my background, so I got this picture and used it as my background, a paper-like one. Then I started with my table. First wrote all the things and information of the virus. Then I started to fill up the table with colors. While using colors, I like to stick to a certain color to highlight similarities because it helps to remember things easily. Blue for short and pink for long ones, and with the color association it does help with remembering informations. You can create your own header for the title and just use a font that you like and add images along with the title. Just feel free to express your creativity and create notes that is effective for you. Also, don't be too hard on yourself. Let it go and just be creative without too much pressure. Just enjoy what we're doing and the note-taking process will be more fun and motivating. So I like creating my own notes because it really helps me to stay motivated to study. Once you're done with your notes, you can then save it to the file in any format. So this is how I create my notes on EdrawMax. You guys can also create notes like this. I'll provide all the links in the description box down below. So Notebook Therapy was really kind enough to send me some of their products. Is this tote bag. So the first thing that I got is this weekly planner. You can actually stick this to the wall and plan. And tip something. You can stick it on the wall. I haven't decided where to stick it, so I'll do that soon. So as if for now it will stay in the... So the next thing that I got is this extendable pouch. This is so good, like so good. See, there's thick enough space to it as well. Let's put something in it. It even fits this abnormally long Tomboy brush pen, which is great. I can store them. I can use them like this. Oh, this is so nice. So that's the second thing I got. And for next, let me take everything out. So the next thing is this Maple Dreams collection washi tape. I must say this is so premium. Some autumn theme sticker. And look at this. These are so freaking cute. Like, I am like obsessed with these, and these are so cute. And I'm not going to throw the box. I'm just going to keep it just like this. This is best for gifting a stationery addict or like someone who loves stationery so much. So for next, we have this beautiful journal. The packaging is so good, I must say that. The packaging is so freaking good. So let's open this up. Gift this to someone. This is the dotted original. Now I love so amazing. Perfect. I love this. I liked everything so much, especially this. So thank you Network Therapy for sending me all of this cute stuff. Bye.
Rising up like phoenixes, been tired of pushed to the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.